Have you ever wondered what makes seafood so irresistibly delicious along the coastlines? What secret ingredients do coastal chefs use to create flavors that dance on your tongue? Today, we're diving into the seafood dishes from various coastal cuisines that are sure to reel you in. And hey, if you love what you hear, why not subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering content? Let's set sail on this culinary adventure. Number 1. The classic ceviche, Peru's pride. The journey begins in Peru with a burst of citrus and the fresh catch of the day. Ceviche, a beloved dish of the region, is a symphony of freshly diced seafood marinated in zesty lime juice, mixed with onions, coriander, and a kick of chili peppers. Every bite is a wave of fresh, tangy, and spicy flavors that showcases the simplicity and freshness of coastal cooking. But what's the local secret? It's all in the timing. The fish is cooked in the acidity of the lime just long enough to retain its tenderness. Number 2. Sushi, Japan's ocean gem. Moving to Japan, where the art of sushi making takes center stage, this iconic dish is more than just food. It's a craft passed down through generations. Delicate slices of raw fish rest atop perfectly seasoned rice, often with a touch of wasabi to awaken your senses. The key here? Precision and freshness. Sushi masters select the day's best catch and pair it with rice at just the right temperature, creating a harmonious blend that melts in your mouth. It's a minimalist dish that speaks volumes. Number 3. Paella de marisco, Spain's coastal treasure. Now, we sail to Spain's sunny shores for paella de marisco, a feast for the senses. This vibrant dish combines rice with a treasure trove of seafood. Think succulent shrimp, clams, and mussels, often cooked in a rich, savory saffron-infused broth. Each spoonful is a fiesta of flavors, bringing the spirit of Spanish coastal celebrations to your plate. The communal experience of sharing a paella pan is what makes it special, gathering friends and family for a taste of the sea. Number 4. Grilled lobster, Maine's rustic delight. We can't talk about coastal seafood without tipping our hats to Maine's grilled lobster. This New England classic is all about the pure, unadulterated flavor of lobster, grilled to smoky perfection, served with a side of melted butter. It's a simple dish that respects the fresh, sweet taste of the ocean. Lobster lovers agree. There's nothing quite like cracking into a freshly grilled lobster on a breezy Maine evening. And there you have it, 5 stunning seafood dishes that capture the essence of coastal cuisine. Each dish tells a story of its homeland, a narrative flavored by the sea and seasoned by tradition. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join us on more culinary voyages. What's your favorite seafood dish? Drop a comment below and let the waves of conversation begin.